Today I'm reviewing the Delta H2OKinetic dual shower head with detachable sprayer. We've had this shower head for over a year now, and we have it in a tiled surround shower, and we have a rainfall shower on the other side. But we got this option because it does have a rainfall option, but I needed something that I could actually clean the shower out with, and this was very important. We got this option in matte black finish, and I will say it does not come with the extension on the wall. You have to pay for that separately, but this is the unit itself. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the shower, and we have it hooked up to our Moen Smart Shower, but this is the first option. This is the rainfall option, and this head swivels back and forth. So you can swivel it back and forth. It goes pretty far. And then you can toggle between what you want right on the side, and it's super simple. So this will give you both units going at the same time. If you hit it again, it's just the sprayer. And then back to double. And then back to the rainfall. Now, the handheld shower sprayer has multiple settings. The first one is obviously the spray there. You have some powerful jet stream. There's that one. So I'll go back through. And then this is kind of a mediocre one. I love how it detaches off. It's magnetic on the back. So it detaches right off and just right into the unit. I do love too that you can get pretty far into the shower. So the cord is pretty long. But overall, I love this shower head sprayer. It works really good for us. We haven't had any problems with it, and it was very easy to install.